Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to add filters on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different options. New, just select a photo from your gallery, and you can find the lower bar. You can find different options. And new, if you want to add the filters to your photo, click the filters option next to the details, and here you can find different filters. You can set the strength of that, and you can erase different areas in your photo. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.